So I got it all wired up and finished, and it's good to go. And I even have a brake light now. And so what I'll do is I'll show you the brake light first. So what I did was I had a safety switch for the deck that would be the safety for the deck so it would not engage, but this is a safety switch that was off from the lawnmower that stripped down, and I just took a plug, hooked into there, and when the brake presses down onto it, it'll press the brake. It'll turn the brake light on, and it actually will stop too. So I'll show you. So turn like this. I'll go and put my foot on the brake, and then I'll move like this, and voila, I have a brake. And there is the brake right there, and I'm pushing and brake and brake. So there's the brake. Now I had to do a little bit better wiring and figure out the night light and the running lights and the turn signals, and I got them on left and right on both same speed now. So my switch is right there, so I'll turn it to the left, and here will be the left blinker in the rear, and then the front blinker of the left on the front. These LED lights, I'm going to probably find some amber ones and try to find some amber LEDs. And so I'm going to just try to find some amber LEDs. And so now flip it to turn it off, and it'll be off and off on the front. Now turn to the right. We got right blinker in the rear. Then we'll have the right blinker in the front, if you could tell. Now what I'll do is turn that off. Now for the running lights in here, I was figuring them out and I got them right. And so I have the running lights in with my main lights. So I'd flip that on. Got a running light there. Well, if you could tell, there's both the running lights right there. And I actually got side lights on my lawnmower on the front, so people could see the side. One on there, and that's LED. Then right here, and that's LED. And got my front lights. Then what I did, I had a LED bar strip thing that you'd buy at Walmart, and I installed it right here, and it will shine right onto the deck plate. Well, right onto the bumper. So when I have a winch or whatever, it would be really nice. So there is the night lights, and the night light is in with the amber lights will be in with this too. You just can't tell. Let's see. Yeah, see? The amber lights is on. And turn those off. And the other switch is the is the voltmeter, and then this switch is my underneath lights that I have, which are those, which are really bright at night. And I'll show you the other side. And there's the other side of that. This is hanging down because that's my turn signaling and wiring and stuff. I'll have to figure out a way to do that. But see, you can tell it's kind of going in. But so turn those off, and we'll have horn. Hopefully, yep, horn. And that's about it. Oh, and I will start it up to show you that it will run. So I'm starting up. Now it's running perfectly good. Running. Now I'll turn it off. So now, but with the brake, even though I have to have it on to start it, when it's on, the brake light will be on. But when I just turn it off, when it's completely off and not moving, I just let it go and the brake goes off, and make sure that it's in neutral, of course. So there you have it. My riding lawnmower that has turn sync, left turn, right turn, running lights, and a brake light and headlights and everything. So yep. So yeah.